What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets, and we're going to only use one account. Absolute laziest way to make money online right now. Most people that know about my lead gen secrets usually get multiple accounts, but we just doing one. I'm just showing you the minimum effort and see the type of results you can get with just a little effort, and you can make you struggling to make money online, you've been trying for a while, this is the way to do it. All right guys, so anyway guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business, and essentially it's because it's recurring income, and it's 80% recurring income, guys. So you get paid. What that means is that you get paid every single month when you get a sale. All right, as long as the person stay in the system, so you can make money. So every sale I get can be money. All right, so I actually haven't gotten that many sales, even though it looked like I got a ton of sales here. I actually haven't gotten that many sales. A lot of these are from before, you know. A lot of these are rebuilds that I'm getting paid monthly, right? So yeah, that's the really upside thing about doing it this way. Using this system is 80% as well, which is unheard of. All right guys, so we're gonna refresh the page, see if we got a sale today or not. All right guys, it looked like we did not get a sale today, which is totally fine. It just happens. This is like a dry, every month this is like a dry area every time. So I know it's gonna be like this until about the 20, I want to say the 24th or the 25th. I already know that, but you know, and I show you guys every month, so you know that as well, that this area here, it gets a little dry for a minute and then it comes back like in a big way. So yo, that's why all my sales usually are at. So we see here that I made almost $5,000 with this system, guys. All right, so this is working for me. Now let me show you exactly what I'm doing to set it up. So first off, you want to come to my page here. You want to come to you on my video watching it now. All you gotta do is scroll down here. You're gonna see this right here. It says show more, and you're gonna show the whole thing. You want step 1, all 25 business. Click on that. It's gonna take you to this page here. What this page here is gonna do is just explain what the $25 business is and all that. You can watch this video if you want, all that good stuff, right? You decide you want to try this out. You click on yes, I want in. All right, so you just put in your information right here. Boom, boom, boom. You get the system. Click on that. What that is a 14-day free trial for HBA Premium, which is training that's constantly updated. Now you'll get this for free for 14 days. You can try it out, set it up, read all you need to read, and set up stuff for the first 14 days if you wish to. But you won't have to do all that with my method here. But the reason why you want to get it anyway is because you can't make money off of something you don't have, for example. So let's say for example you just get the HBA. You just get the HBA funnel bill. I meant the all-in-one business here. Okay. Then you get somebody in the system, right? And they get the HBA funnel builder. I meant the all-in-one business, and they get the HBA Premium here. So you will get the $20 from the $25, but you would not get the $100 from the $125 per month. All right, guys. So make sure to get that. All right. So once you do that, you're gonna get to a page with something like this. All right, something like this right here. What you want to do is click on the affiliate zone once you log in. This video is explaining this. I'm just giving you a bridge version. All right, so you want to click on sign up for the affiliate program here. Click on that. You put in the information here. Very simple information: first name, last name, email, password. So very simple information. And then you just log into your SAM card. That's gonna take you to a page that looks something like this. And you're done. All right, basically you just scroll down a bit. I use the all-in-one $25 business sales level. You can use whatever you want, guys, but that's the one I use. All right, so once you get that, you go back here. It's the my lead gen secrets here. Oh, my bad. I meant to say, I'm sorry, I get ahead of myself a little bit. Now you back on my page here. It says step 2 here. Join my lead gen secrets. Now you want to click on that, and that's gonna take you to this page. I'm sorry about that. I speeded it up a little bit. But anyway, and you're gonna have a video here. What that is gonna explain what my lead gen secrets essentially is. But TLDR, you get 100 leads interested in making money online every day that you can mail every single day. All right, guys. So it's new people every single day. These people are interested in making money online, which is perfect for our program. It's all about making money online. All right. So we just gonna log in, get our account, blah blah blah. You know, very basic thing to do. All right. So once you get into your account, look something like this. All you really need to do is just click on mailing system. You click on mailing system, and then you select all your leads here. You're only gonna have 100, I think, but don't worry about that because you can get sales at very low lead selections. But anyway, we're gonna go to my next email here. Passive key comment. So we're gonna try this one. Now you guys can do whatever you want, but this is the one I'm using. You can copy this email if you wish. I'm gonna give you a chance to copy it real quick. So yeah, pause the video and just copy 250 in one day. Oh, let me check something. I'm gonna make sure my math's right. I just want to check and see if my math's right. I want to make these congruent. Cause I remember when I made them, I just throw random numbers up, but I just want to make sure they're congruent. I mean, it's 370 here plus 250. It's gonna be 590. No, it ain't. 50. It's 20. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so. Oh, hold up. $570. Okay, okay. I'm at 570 at 200. 250 is gonna be 570. It's 770. 820. Okay, so we just gonna go 820. So let me find email here. Right here. 820 for this one. So it's 250 in one day. 820 right here. Sorry about that, guys. That's y'all ain't gotta worry about that right there. I'm just doing it for my own sake. But anyway, guys, just keep trucking, blah blah blah. 250 in one day. You can copy that now. If I pause the video, you can copy it. All right. Pause, copy. All right. Pause, copy. All right. Pause, copy. Okay. Pause, copy. All right. That's about it, guys. All right, so you put your link right here, guys. You put the link that you got before. You put your link right there. Make sure to hit perfect timing. Make sure to preview your video. Your email to make sure your link work here. Does work good. All right, that's good. That's all there is to it, really. Once you figure out the link works, you just send an email. You don't have to copy my emails. I'm just giving you a chance to copy them if you want to use my emails. But you can use any emails really about making money online. As long as it's something like that, they'll be interested in trying it out. All right, guys, that's all there is to it, guys. Very, very simple. Like I stated before, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Only 20% of you are subscribed, so come on, subscribe. Make sure I get on the marketing thing, YouTube algorithm, whatever. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.